Hey guys, welcome back. We're in the middle of harvest. Right now we're actually unloading on the go. We are, looking forward to weaning calves here in the next month or so if we can get to it. Still taking care of all of our livestock as well. And, creep feeding, and honestly, if we had the time, we would keep mowing hay. We have some that is ready. It'd be nice to get it, be some beautiful third cut alfalfa and some second cutting grass. So, but that's what we're dealing with right now. Sorry about the hand there. Right now, we have not done any beans. We're still on corn. I think we're gonna finish this cornfield here and then go to beans. It's like early October, second week of October, I'd say. So we're not too far behind the eight ball. Honestly, we got a rain early this week. We got a rain last night too. But before that, beans were down like dang near the single digits. Not that we were avoiding them because of that, but it kind of worked out that if we can get a little moisture back in those, we might as well. So, and I don't think the beans are any too dry now, so this field's a little tacky out here. Not too bad. We're not, certain spots we're picking up a little bit, but honestly going real well. Seems to be yielding pretty good. So we're hauling this to the bin. We haven't hauled anything to town yet, just to try to keep moving. Back out here the next day, and we're rocking and rolling. We've dumped the semi from last night. We've dumped another one from this morning, and we're loading the second. My dad's in the combine. I'm in the semi in a grain cart. My wife's in the other grain cart. Making pretty good progress on this field. Not sure how it's doing exactly. Had some drier, so we got some air on it just to try to take the little bit of moisture that's in there. We're back up in the 70s today. So a little bit of air ought to go a long way with this. So with the rain right inside this driveway, it's a little tacky still, especially if you're pulling a semi out of here. So we're loading on the road, staying back here, keeping the combine moving. She'll dump on the cart I'm in and then fill that cart. Hey guys, we're back here this morning, dumping in the bin. So, we got about 15 acres left where we're at, and then we'll move on to the next field. We'll have to move the auger after that, so it'll be a little bit of a delay in some of that. And then, yeah, we should keep on rolling here. Probably do the next field and then switch to beans. They were talking rain Tuesday, so I think that was kind of our hesitation with switching after today, just on the off chance it does rain and we want to keep moving on corn. But we'll see. You know, they're calling for a 20% chance now, so we probably should move over. Of course, 2 nights ago there was a 10% chance and we got an inch, so we're kind of up against what do you do. Hey guys, we're back. It's the next day. We finished up the field that my wife was helping us on yesterday, and we moved to the next one last night. Got 1 truck dumped already this morning, and we've got the other one 2/3 of the way full, I'd say now. I'm just trying to catch this last hopper to fill the truck. We got, we're probably a 1/4 of the way done with this field. He's just opening it up. I'll be hauling to a bin a little bit further away and keep on moving. Okay guys, we finished up this bin here. I didn't get much footage today. We got that done. All the corn fit in this bin. There we go, almost all the way full. A little bit of a cone or a peak there. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get this buttoned up. Got the top on, turn the fan on, and we're gonna start switching over to beans this evening. And we'll bring you back for that one. Thanks for watching.